Cheer up, Brian.
What? You know what they say? Some things in life are bad. They can really make you mad. And other things just make you swear and curse. When you're chewing on life's gristle, don't grumble, give a whistle. And this'll help things turn out for the best.
Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the light side of life. If life seems jolly rotten, there's something you've forgotten, and that's to laugh and smile and dance and sing. When you're feeling in the dumps, don't be silly chumps. Just purse your lips and whistle, that's the thing. And always look on the bright side of life. Come on. Always look on the right side of life. For life is quite absurd, and death's the final word. You must always face the curtain with a bow. Forget about your scene, give the audience a grin. Enjoy it, it's your last chance anyhow. So always look on the bright side of death. Just before you draw your terminal breath. Life's a piece of shit when you look at it. Life's a laugh and death's a joke, it's true. You'll see it's all a show, keep 'em laughing as you go. Just remember that the last laugh is on you. And always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the right side of life. Come on, Brian, cheer up. Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the right side of life. First things happen to see, you know. Always look on the right side of life. What you got to lose? You know, you come from nothing, you're going back to nothing. What you lost? Nothing. Look on the right side of life. Nothing will come from nothing, you know what I say? Cheer up, you old bugger. Come on, give us a grin. There you are. See? The end of the film. Incidentally, this record's available in the foyer. Someone's got to live as well, you know. Who do you think pays for all this rubbish? Always look on the money back, you know. I told him. I said to him, Bernie, I said...
For all yous wondering what WTF that was all about, I'll give you a clue. I've got a pet snake. His name's Monty. He's a python. So the story goes like this. A friend of mine's brother passed away in odd circumstances. We still don't know what happened. Nonetheless, he left behind 2 children. My mate asked me if I could make him something for the kids to leave at his grave at the funeral. Nothing special, maybe 2 crosses, he said. They'll be left outside, so need to last. That was my brief. Me being me, just did me. He's a butcher, my mate. Once I was done, I took them to him at work and handed them over. Straight away you could see those eyeballs glaze over. I didn't hang around. Sometimes stuff like that, people should be left alone, I feel. There's a touch more. I uploaded this video over a year ago, and for some reason it only got 949 views. So I've done the video again, but in the way I wanted it to be, which means the vid can't be monetized. More importantly, the final edit is how I want it to be, bar this spiel. It really sucks when I know the hours that go into a vid and it gets fuck all views. I want to ask you a favour. The one vid that did mean the most to me out of every vid I've done also got sod all views. 968 views. I can't re-edit that vid. It's as perfect as can be, nor can I cope with the emotions to do any more on it. The same vid did way better on Facebook for some reason. 83,000 views. I wonder if you could do me a favour. Just go and watch it. Get it over 1,000 views. That would mean a lot to me. Cheers. Be lucky. Half angel, half cross. Apparently this gear is the dog's bollocks. Well, it fucking should be for the price. It is expensive. It is a wet on wet finish, so, apply your first coat. Let that seep in, allow it to penetrate for 20-30 minutes, it says on the tin. That's blue balls territory right there. And apply a second coat, don't let it dry. So if you like the cut of my jib, please like and subscribe, share if you're really feeling kinky, and we'll see each other again. Be lucky.